Hello student, let us do essential practical which is given in your textbook of chapter 5 page 98. In the first question, if we look at the question, you will notice that 2008 to 9 and 2009 to 10 contribution given by different sector, you will see it. And the information is taken from India 2012 EPW Research Foundation. Okay, these are the information given in the question. How we are going to make a table? Let us see. Okay, first we need to put up the table number, and then next is title of the table. So here title of the table putting here is contribution to India GDP by different sector. In bracket in percentage. Okay, so here this the title of the text, the title of the table we are putting here in italic words. It should be much clearer than the ordinary writing. Or else you can use capital letter also, it is your wish. Okay, so here we frame the tables and this is the column, and the sector which we are keeping here is subhead. In the subhead, primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary. And well, here the total also we are having. All these are the row heading, These are the row heading, or it is also called sub entry of the tables. And next move on to here another row. Okay, here year compromise column heading. Okay, here year where we are placing is the column heading, and these are the caption with subheading. Okay, these are the heading. Okay, this year also we can call it as a caption, and this caption is having a subhead. Okay, these two are the subhead of this caption. So here numerical figures are there. We are placing here in 2008 to 2009 17.6, 28.2, 54.2, and in 2009 to 2010 17.7, 27.0, 55.3. So simply we are totaling up because since figure are there. So all this where we are placing this numerical figure, it is called cells of a table or body of a tables. And then since footnote is not given in the question, so sources is given. So we are writing here based on the Indian 2012 EPW Research Foundations. From this information is given, so we are framing the table. We are making the table. This is the solution for question number 1. Next, move on to question number 2. In question number 2, we are asked to make a table again. And the information consists of number of students of your college, and the item which are listed are faculty wise, that consists of arts, commerce, and science. Secondly, class wise comprises of 11 up to BA third year, and next information comprises of sex wise, that identify boys and girls. So here let us see the solution. First, need to make a table number. Secondly, the title of the table, so the number of students in a college. Okay, here for the subheading in the column in the row, we are giving faculty. So here all these arts, commerce, science and total, all these are row heading. Okay, all these are row heading. And next we are having column heading of class, and this column heading, it is also called caption which contain subhead, and this subhead is again comprises of boys and girls. So here we are putting class 11 boys and girls, BA first year boys and girls, BA second year boys and girls, and BA third year boys and girls. So since numerical figures is not there, so we are putting x instead of making empty, we are putting x and the total also x. So here question number 2, the table look like this. Okay, next we will move on to question number 3. In question number 3, the information given is export from India to USSR and UK, and in the table way the information is given. So here this one we are asked to make a table. So let us see the solution. First we make a table number and the title. So here export from India to USSR and UK, and so here it is from 2008 to 10 rupees in crore. The figure is given rupees in crore. So here for the subtitle year and all these 2008, 2009, 2010, 11 and the total, all these are row heading. And again this one is the caption, and the caption consists of subheading this USSR rupees in crore, UK rupees in crore. So we we put up the figures for USSR in that specified year, that is in 2008 209, in 2009 416 and so on. And UK also the same thing. The figure we lay down here in each particular year, so we total it up here, how much amount India is exporting to USSR and UK, we are able to know it. So based on the question, this is how the table look like. So a table should be clean and clear for the second person. um, it will be easy to look and see it. Okay, this is how the table look like, since no footnote is there, no um, sources is there, so we don't need to write it down. Okay, let us see question number 4. In question number 4, if you look your textbook page 98, point out the mistake in the following table, rearrange it correctly. So in the form of table, information is given, but there is no source, there is no footnote is there. So here first we need to point out the mistake in the following table, that means in the question which is given. So here mistake that I'm getting is there is no table number and no title in the table, and secondly the caption and sub entry have not been properly noted, and thirdly total of the row and column has not been indicated. So here this is the mistake that we found. Okay, now we will try to make a table. So here first table number we are given, that is table 4, and title for the table will be subject of the students. Okay, here subject we listed out in the subhead. The subhead is subject, and economic, English, Hindi, history, all these are the row heading. And then here now we come to the caption. Caption will be number of students, and this caption is having again subhead, that is boys and girls, so we list that out. No figure is there, so just putting this xxx, and then for the total also xx. We are not getting any information of footnote as well as sources, so the table will be look like this. This is what about table making.